Hello friends, I hope your preparation for the competitive examinations is well on track. Today I will discuss one of the most typical and trickiest topics in the quant section, and that topic is of geometry. You will find 4 to 5 questions in each and every paper based on geometry. Now here the students will try to solve the questions based on geometry by using the lengthy techniques, whereas the examiner wants you to think laterally and apply simple concepts to simplify your problems. Let's have a look on one such problem in which I will solve the question by a simple concept of geometry. So here is the question. Question says that in the following figure, the equilateral triangle ABC has an area of 900 root 3 meter square. Points P and Q are the midpoints of sides AB and AC respectively, and you have to find the area of the dotted region. So here is a triangle. Now what student will do, as P and Q are the midpoints, so BQ is the median as well as the height of the equilateral triangle. So students will try to find the height of this equilateral triangle, and as BQ and PC are medians, so their point of intersection is the centroid, so they will further divide this median in the ratio 1:2. But that is the lengthy method. What we will do here is we will apply the simple concept that the median divides the triangle into two equal areas. Now, if median divides the triangle into two equal areas and if BQ is the median, so if I reject this triangle BQC, can I say the area of triangle ABQ is half of the total area, which is 900 root 3, and this value will come out to be 450 root 3. Now again, P is the midpoint of side AB. Now concentrate on the triangle ABQ. Since P is the midpoint, so that means PQ is median, and this median will further divide the triangle into two equal areas. That means if I omit this triangle APQ, then the area of triangle BPQ will be further half of the area of triangle ABQ, that is half of 450 root 3, and this value comes out to be 225 root 3. Now just concentrate on this triangle BPQ. This was the point of intersection of two medians, so it will divide the BQ in the ratio 2:1. Also, let us take this point as O. So triangle BOP and triangle POQ both have the same baseline BQ and both have the same vertex P. That means if I draw a perpendicular on BQ from P, then this height will be common to both the triangles BOP as well as POQ. So from here I can say that the areas of triangle BOP and POQ, they will be in the ratio of their bases, and the ratio of the bases is 1:2. So from here I can say that the area of the shaded part or area of triangle POQ will be further 1/3 of the total area which was left. That means the area of triangle BPQ, and that was 225 root 3, and on solving it what I will get is 75 root 3 centimeters or meter square. So I am able to solve this question in just 3 steps, and what I have used here is I had taken into account the concept that the median of a triangle divides the triangle into two equal areas. By using this simple concept, I am able to solve this question in just 3 steps. You can log on to full video based on this concept by subscribing our channel at YouTube and hitbullseye.com. Best of luck in your preparations. Thank you.